I'm Carl and this is Skunk Machine. We're a small Melbourne-based design studio specialising in automotive and motorcycle design. I've been given the opportunity to customise a Continental GT 650. I've had the bike for a couple of weeks, been riding it around. It's quite an impressive package. I've had a few ideas rattling around my brain. I'm kind of thinking retro 80s race bike, Isle of Man, MotoGP, that kind of thing. I really like the 80s bikes. There's something really awkward about the design and the shape of them. So what I'm intending to do is to modernise it and streamline the design and bring it into the now. So stick with us and I'll take you on a journey and show you the processes that I use when I'm customising and designing motorcycles. Let me take you through the progress of the Royal Enfield custom design job and I'll introduce you to some of the suppliers that are helping us out. So we've replaced the entire front end with an upside down GSXR front end with custom triple clamp supplied to us by Cognito Moto in the US. They've done a beautiful job and really high quality, and same with the hub for the wheel. They've adapted a Royal Enfield pattern to be able to take the 17-inch wheel and the twin discs. Tyres Performance levers. We have Motor Gadget, which has helped us out with some electronic gear. These guys have given us the Mo switches. They've given us the M-lock, gets rid of the key. And we have an awesome Motoscope speedo here. And check this out. This fits nicely into the Cognito Moto top triple clamp. Pirelli have supplied us with some tyres. We've got some XL rims here, the 17s, down from the 18-inch that comes stock on the bike, so a little bit more racy. Twin front discs as well. SC Projects, set of mufflers here. I've designed a stainless header pipe to replace the original exhaust, which is this one here. It's a lot tighter and closer to the body and a lot lighter. This will give us a fair bit of clearance for the next stage when we develop the front fairing. The overall ride height of the bike's come down 50mm. That's due to the 17-inch wheels have been replaced from the standard 18s. 50mm lower in the fork length and 50mm lower in the shocks. So the lowered centre of gravity is going to give the bike a more planted feel on the road. Now that we've got the bike set up in position and geometry, we're going to head into the next stage, which will be some clay modelling. We're going to design some really cool stuff on this bike to make it something really unique for Royal Enfield.